how to fix Twitter fleets not showing. So if you're facing a problem with Twitter fleets, then first open up your Twitter application or your X application. And after opening, now here on the upper side you will have Twitter fleets, right? So if you don't have that Twitter fleets, then the first reason is in your country or in your region that fleets update or that fleets option might not be available, so that might be a problem. But if your friends have that fleets and if you don't have that, then what you can do is you can simply go back and then you can open up your settings, go for apps and notifications and tap on see all apps, and here open up your X application or your Twitter, and now you can go for storage and cache, which is on the third option, and go for clear cache. And after tapping on clear cache, your problem might be fixed. Or you can also go back and then open up your Play Store and then go for the search bar and search for Twitter. And after searching here, you will have your Twitter, right? So if you have an update option like this, you can simply tap on update, and you need to update your Twitter application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. Or you can also simply uninstall the application and then you can again install it from this Play Store or App Store. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply restart your device. Simply hold on to that power button, and here on the upper right side you will have restart option. Tap on restart and then you have to restart your device. So this might fix your problem. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.